Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all a highlighters haul. These are all the highlighters pen that I found. So at first I have this Cameline ones. So these are Cameline highlighters. You get orange, green, blue, yellow and pink color in this. So these are for 100 rupees, so 20 rupees for each highlighter. On stationery I think you can buy this separately also, like if you want pink color only, then they give you pink or green, whatever. Online you have to get the pack, full pack. I got this from Itsy Bitsy, their online store. So this is how it looks. It's very easy to handle and write with this. They are very nice. So at first this is the yellow one, then green, then you have orange, blue, and at last you have pink. Okay, these are next. These are from the June shop. It is a website that is there. So I got this pack from their site, and there are variety of like different outside body that they have, like ice cream kind of like this. You get different kind of things. So they look very pretty also, and they are kind of in pastels, not exactly neon kind of. So they are pastels, kind of, not really pastels, but yeah. So this cost around 199. Actually the original cost is 299 rupees, but I got it for 199. So at first I have this lavender kind of purple color, then this is like orange, then I have yellow, pink, green. So these are all the colors that you get, 5 colors. Next I have from Faber Castell. So in this also you get green, yellow, orange, pink, blue. Camlin, Faber Castell, then Luxor and Cello, you get almost similar colors. They also look similar. You will see it when I show you together. So they, all four of the brands, they look almost similar, like you can't make out, and they are same way a good quality one. So this is yellow at first. I got this for 85 rupees from Flipkart. Orange, blue. So you can see all three of this Luxor and all, they have similar kind of shades. I think the Faber Castell is little bit darker compared to others. Next I have Luxor, which is again for 100 rupees, and I got it for 81 rupees. You get green, yellow, orange, pink, blue, same colors, 5 colors. So this is yellow at first, then you have green, orange, blue, and you get pink. So these are the 5 colors. Next I have Cello. Now this I had brought online only, but I lost 2 colors from this. Like I had brought it 2 years back or something like that, 1.5 year back. So I don't have two colors from this, but yeah, I have pink and orange and kind of a little bit different, lighter orange, pinkish kind of color. But they are like similar to all the four, as I said, Luxor, Camlin, Cello and Faber-Castell. They look very much similar. So these are the three colors that I have. This is kind of reddish, kind of light red. Next is from this brand Scanizer or Scandia. This is my favorite color, and this is one is for 60 rupees, which I got from Offimart. And you get pack of this on Amazon also, but I didn't buy them as I already have so many, and I just wanted to show you all that this quality is very nice. It's really amazing. So you can definitely check out. It's around 400 or 500, something like that. The cost was 6 something, so you can check that out. Next I have this highlighter. This I think is from Itsy Bitsy or Offimart, one of it. So mostly it will be from Itsy Bitsy, but I'll be leaving down the link in the description. You all can check it out. So you get these colors attached to each other, then you can pull it behind and just put again. So you get 6 colors in all. This I don't remember the exact price what I got it for, but I'll leave the link to this in the description box so you can check it out. So and they are very small, so easy to write also. This is what I really liked, and you don't have to carry it separately. It's in one go only, you get to carry all of this, and they are very handy kind of. The colors are also very beautiful. You get this purple color also in this, which is different compared to the others. Orange, pink, yellow, they are similar to the others that are there. Blue is also similar kind of. It's a very good product. I'll be leaving down the link to all of this in the description box. You all can check it out. It's really good. All of the highlighters are amazing, so you all can check them out.